Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below.
Well, I have plantar fasciitis in both my feet, equal amount of pain from overuse.
How long this been going on?
2.5 years.
So did you hurt yourself or just happen over time?
I woke up one morning with my right foot hurting, and then 2 days later, my left foot when I stepped out of bed.
So for the last 2 years, can you tell me what kind of treatment did you have?
I've seen podiatrists, neurologists, rheumatologists.
Wow.
And the pain still exists.
So what kind of treatment they provide you with?
I've had the boots. I've had a cast on my left foot.
Okay.
And a lot of rest, and none of it helped.
Did you have any? Did they give you any orthotic or anything like that?
I've worn different orthotics, and some of them do help.
Any? But your pain is still there.
Pain's still there.
So have you had any physical therapy, chiropractor, any other treatments?
Just one session of PT, and I ended up hurting after that.
Oh, you had more pain afterward. Sort of that. So for the last 2 years, can you tell me how the pain affecting your life and how much from 0 to 10? 10 is emergency room.
Started at 10, obviously, from the initial pain, and now it's been at a steady 8 for 2.5 years.
So if we say, like, do you have constant pain, and how much is constant pain?
Constant pain between 5 and 8.
5 and 8. So the pain increase with activity?
It's random.
But
yes, the more I'm on my feet, the more my feet hurt.
So currently, right now, how much pain?
Somewhere around 7 or an 8.
Okay, and where do you feel it exactly? Show me, please.
All along here, across the bottom of my foot, in the back of my calves, on both legs.
Both legs, you feel it in both?
All the whole heel.
What kind of pain is it?
Achilles also.
What kind of pain is it? Sharp, dull, aching?
Multiple different types of pain, from sharp to burning to throbbing to all day aching.
Do you feel more pain when you stand up in the morning? First few steps, like
first few steps are always
you're stepping on like knife or something like that.
Yeah, sometimes it's not bad.
Okay, so I will have you actually walk. I want to see how you walk here, back and forth, and you tell me how much pain there.
Like a solid 7.
And is that your normal speed now after the plantar fasciitis? You probably used to walk faster than that. Is that correct?
Yeah, this is not my normal step.
Okay, I want to see how you walk just a couple of times. Sorry. So you're definitely very slow gait. Backward. Okay.
I don't ever walk without shoes on, so.
Yeah, so you're painful? How much?
It's abnormal. I'm not used to walking without shoes on.
Okay. Alright, so I will have you. Are you comfortable in the stomach?
Yeah.
Lie in your stomach. Just lie in your stomach, head there. Make sure everything we do pain free, okay? So both of them equally painful. It's not like one side is worse than the other side. That's correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let me know if you feel pain, okay?
Okay. Oh, yeah.
Here?
Yeah.
Okay. One of the signs of the inflammation, we were talking about this before the video,
yeah, that too,
is I'm gonna know how much inflammation you have based on your tolerance to the treatment. Okay?
Okay.
So make sure you tell me.
Yeah, a lot of pain went away.
How much now from 0 to 10?
Wow. There's still some just pain in my heels now.
But the pain in the calf, the everywhere else?
Just from the massaging, but it's not the same.
It's called ASTR. ASTR. Let's walk back and forth and tell me how that feel. And where do you feel it? Look at this. You're walking faster. See that?
Feels so much different. Wow.
Huh?
It really is amazing.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Keep walking, yeah. We'll have him do some dance here.
There's just a little bit in the heels, not even much.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Keep going.
Like 3?
Oh my god.
How much from 0 to 10? See how fast you walk now compared to before?
I feel like I'm just nervous to step.
Keep walking. Keep walking. Just if you don't feel pain. And you said your worst walking is when you're not wearing shoes. Now he's not wearing shoes too.
I can't believe I'm walking right now.
What?
I can't believe I'm walking.
You're walking, okay? We have it in the camera, so you will see, see it
So,
later.
What's the level now?
0 to 10.
There's just a little bit in the heels. I don't even know what number this is. It's like it's never felt like this.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
For the last 2 years, yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay.
It is a little bit like numb though.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Keep walking. Want you to drink enough water, okay?
I drink a lot. I'm good.
After the treatment.
Okay.
You mean daily?
Yeah. After the treatment, especially when we do the treatment, don't overdrink before, because I will have you to drink during the treatment to flush the toxins, just release, because I don't want you to feel soreness from the toxins.
So how about your calf and hip, knee?
I think my legs are just like really tired, just from not being able to walk. Now that I feel like I can stand on them, I feel different.
Well, that's very typical because you have not used your muscle properly and because you have not walked for a while. So weaknesses is okay. Weaknesses is the least of my worry. That's gonna take us a little bit time to strengthen your muscle. I care about the pain. How's your pain level? Gradually, you will not feel fatigue. But you see how he walked like
Yeah,
what?
there's a lot of fatigue.
5?
There's like no pain.
You see, he went back and forth like 5-6 times so far. Yeah.
Just double check.
Any pain or
Just a little bit in the heel.
how much from 0 to 10?
I can't even say it. Like maybe a 1 or a 2.
I'm happy with this.
Oh, I thought 3.
Beautiful, awesome. Well,
Yeah. Maybe a little bit more on my right than my left.
okay.
Just a little bit more.
So let's lie on your stomach again. So probably you're gonna practice walking 1 block and sit. After half an hour to an hour, walk another block. But I want you to do more frequent walking, but short distance. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Because we need to build your muscles. I'm sure with the boot, what the farthest distance you walked with the boot?
Barely anything.
Yeah. So we cannot do that now. Because I had some patient after the first treatment and they feel no pain, and the next day they just decided to do stuff that they have not done it for years. And they injured themselves because they did not build their muscles strength to get to that point. So I want you to increase the strength smartly, okay? Slowly, build it up. You will never go to the gym, build a lift to like 100 pounds immediately. You take start 20 pounds, couple of weeks, 30 pounds, 50 pounds, and build it up slowly. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
The same thing here, because you're gonna feel fatigue everywhere. So it takes actually more time to strengthen muscle than releasing the proliferation, the tightness of the scar tissue. And so you said it's okay. Is that painful what I'm doing? It's okay.
It's okay.
Make sure it's not painful. Yeah.
A little bit.
Sorry. But he still have a little bit localized inflammation. I will give you a couple of things for that to do at home. So this will be a fast process. Is that too much or it's okay?
It's okay.
Okay. And I'll have you, this is your quiz, okay? We'll have him walk after this and count how many times going back and forth for
Okay.
him, okay?
You don't know how bad. I just want to walk.
Yeah. Yeah. I had a patient actually after working on plantar fasciitis. It was like, sorry, they feel good. So it was like, oh, I'm gonna dance. Is that too much?
No.
Okay. Okay, sit up for me and tell me how that feels. Okay, so how is that now? Oh, you stand up quickly. Good. Walk back and forth and tell me how that feels.
I can still feel where you were pushing.
If you feel the pressure is okay as long as it's not painful. Your gait pattern look a little bit better.
Yeah.
Mhm.
It's hard for me to walk straight.
Well, we need to re-educate your nervous system to walk normally now, because you have been walking like abnormally for a while, so your nervous system get used to this bad habit. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll show you that today. Okay, how's that? 0 to 10?
It's much better.
0 to 10?
It's still like a 1 in both.
Not 8.
No.
Okay, and with weight bearing on it.
Yeah.
So, what do you think about ASTR treatment? Just to
Very
spend a
basic.
few minutes on
Very
it. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
Can you-
Nothing else works.
yeah. So you feel the difference?
Yeah.
Awesome. I'm glad you're feeling
Smells.
better. Yeah, that's good. I like your smile.
Yeah. From all the research, I
Yeah.
figured this was what made the most sense.
That's awesome. Thank you so much. You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.